last video you saw me painting my car pink, but there's something that you and I haven't seen, and that's the car in final form with everything back together and on the ground. So today, that's what we're going to be doing. Let's go. But before I put my wheels on, there's something I really need to show you guys, and that is my super sparkly suspension. This was not meant to be like this. This was not the plan, and I don't know how safe it is, but to be honest, I really like it. It's not rust, right? And it's sparkly on top and on the bottom, so a girl can't complain.
Why do you need 2 jacks for?
You don't know why?
I mean, tell them.
Low profile life. I cannot take my car off jack stands without 2 jacks. Let me show you how I do it actually. I can't just drop it like this.
Are you good?
Yeah, I'm good. 100%. See how low that went? The day I get a unit, I swear, I'll never look back. Oh, it's already off the jacks. Let me just do one more for good luck. Oh, actually one more. Yeah, let's do it.
Yeah, no, grab all the way.
Well, that was fun. Okay, give me a little bit lower, because we've been off in it, the suspension's been stretched. I'm really ashamed right now because I think I'm gonna have to raise my car. Only a little bit, yeah? It's rubbing, yeah? What do you reckon?
Well, the thing is, when we're both going to be sitting in the car, that's definitely going to be rubbing and tugging at full turn, especially.
I think I'll raise it a tiny bit, but we're still going to be slammed, baby. Wait, let me try the foot test. Yeah?
Can we just appreciate this fitment? Like, Famalam.
Wait! Is that my car? Nah, this looks sick. Wait, hold on. Yeah. Piece of me, mate. That's a piece of me. So to start working on the car, we have to take the roof off because that is the only way we can get inside the car. And that's because there is no handle on the door, so we're going to start with installing that first. Whilst I'm holding the handle from the outside and the springs in place, Robert is bolting it all in from the inside. Which then leaves me to install the door card, which is pretty easy because it's just a bunch of clips and screws. We then move on to the door trim, which is actually pretty ugly and will have to be replaced pretty soon. Now that the doors are done, we can move on to the front of the car where we're installing the plastic trim and the wipers. Now we can move on to the rear of the car and install the taillights, which is pretty easy because it's only 4 bolts. Once that was done, we moved on to the hardtop mounting plates. I bought a new Frankenstein bolt because, as you can see, my old one is completely stripped. But it turns out the new one I bought is actually a stud, not a nut, so I can't install it. So I installed the old nut very loosely and back on with the roof we go. So now with my hardtop back on, I can finally install my roof spoiler. So I don't really know what sealant I'm using. I actually just found it in my garage and hope for the best. But as you can see, it didn't work out. That fake Tiger Seal glue majiggy thingy that we used to try to get the spoiler on, it didn't glue the spoiler on, and it's just made a massive fucking mess everywhere. This is what it looks like on the car, please. Look at this. It's just made a freaking mess. Oh my god, that's dry already. It's so sticky. Look at my fingers. It's just drying like Play-Doh every single where. Robert, how's the spoiler looking?
Left a great big mess.
What was it even called? Like, it's over here, hold on.
It is made for building, so I don't know how good it is for gluing on spoilers to a car, you know what I mean? But we're gonna have to get some Tiger Seal.
that was super horrendous and a complete fail. The freaking spoiler was sliding everywhere. I don't think it stuck at all. So this is the situation. I mean, the roof spoiler does look cool, but not with the masking tape. And the plan is leave it like this, and next time we come, remove the masking tape and kind of just hope that it's stuck. And if it hasn't stuck, I honestly don't know what to do, because I feel like this is the most raggo way that a person has put a roof spoiler on the MX-5.
We've got a lot more raggo stuff to do now.
My body kit, which I bought for like £700, which is a lot of money, is about to get some love, some may call it. I'm gonna do some madness to it. I've got to put this rear bumper on, right? Previously I just put a zip tie at the left side and zip tie at the right side, and like the front was just hanging. So I need to add more zip ties on it.
The thing is, it's actually not terrible, but the problem is, yeah, look, come look at this. So we zip tie it on this corner here.
Yep.
But then it just sits like this, and we have this fat gap all around.
Which is not the best fitment.
It doesn't look terrible. Let's check it.
Okay, let's assume the left side is zip tied really tightly. Hold up the right side so I can have a look. Oh, look at this rear view, man. I can't get over it.
How does that look then? Is this
Okay, wait,
back?
let me have a look.
No, but from far away, what does it look?
Oh, it's always from far away.
Yeah, from far. Don't look
I mean,
close.
the whole car looks shit close up. And do you know what? The fitment's not that bad, you know. I think we could get away. I don't know. It's not that bad.
You see, this is the thing, yeah? You think of this as suspension. When you go over bumps and you scrape, if it's going to be up here and you're going to scrape, it's going to tear the bumper off.
Okay,
You
okay.
see, but now if you scrape,
Okay.
you've got this.
So it's a unique.
Suspension.
Oh my god.
Hydraulic rear bumper.
Damn. Wait, hold on. The car's driving now, yeah? You're the speed bump. Go on. Lay on the floor. I'm going to reverse onto you. Now hit it up. Okay. Okay, great. I mean, do you know...
Success.
I feel like you just don't want to do any drillings.
Not on this.
Mm-hmm.
You've got to do some drillings on the front.
Wait, what?
And some cuttings.
Wait, I thought I just saved my body kit and you're...
No, we've got to cut and drill on the front.
So-
Yeah. Let me just show you what we're doing, yeah? So, this bit is actually not that bad. Basically, we've got a hole here in the bumper, right?
Yeah,
And
that was already there.
Yeah, and that zip ties onto the front wing here, right? But basically, what the problem is, these zip ties are a pain to get to. We've got holes here as well.
Yeah.
We're not going to be doing that because it's fucking long, and we're going to have to take the bumper. Like, if you go on a recovery truck, you have to take it off, right? So, what happens is you zip tie it here, and the wing pops out, and it like fits like this. So we need another zip tie here.
Okay, that's not too bad.
So we have two here, and then it will hold like that. But this is the scary part, right?
No.
No, yes. We have these indicators, right?
Okay.
And this body kit, the company that makes this body kit is just so amazing. They don't cut the holes out for you
Oh my
for
god.
where to mount your indicators.
Why have I not clocked that before?
So we need to get these into here, okay? And you think, oh, it's not that bad. You just cut it out from the very chop done. No, let me show you. Behind here you can see the little edge that you would have to cut out, right? So that makes sense.
Like
You
an
just cut it
outline.
out. But, so this is where the indicator goes on this side. In here.
Okay.
These lights don't mount to the chassis. They mount to the bumper. So we have to, if we fuck this up, you cannot put the indicators in.
And if I don't put indicators in, I can't drive my car on the road legally.
Yeah, basically.
So I guess it's time for the scary bit. We started off with the mesh just to ease ourselves into it, but very soon we had to get into cutting. I don't know if you can see it in my face, but I wasn't very confident because...
Oh my days.
Now with all my confidence completely lost, I did have to get back into cutting because, well, the bumper wasn't going to cut itself.
Don't push it too hard.
After a lot of planning, measuring, discussing, and even more planning, we finally came out with this. Honestly, just look how good the car looks right now. It actually looks like a normal car now with its wheels, wipers, freaking indicators, the mesh on the bumper. I am so obsessed. So this is only the front view. And then at the back, we are going to be leaving this weird ass roof spoiler ducted up till we come next to the garage and just praying that it sticks. And the rear, Robert's doing something in the boot. Rear lights, making the car look normal again. Yeah, go on, put the number plate on. Let's get the full effect. Flow, damn. We have a lot to do still with this MX-5 and my E46 over there, which is completely stock right now, and I have a lot of plans for it. I want to say that my bumper might fuck up, but I am a bing bong king.
Look at
Shit,
this.
I did another car, eh?
What was the one thing I told you not to do?
Cut the bumper.
Huh?
Cut the bumper. But I done the one thing you told me to do. Get rid of the bolts.